It's for you to negotiate.
Point one of a mil at 8 o'clock.
Okay.
So for you, we're going to set you off now, because we know you love the rain. We're going to delay the start by an hour. Let's go back to bed.
Good. Come on, boys. We like to fix things.
Today's been an awesome day, eh? Lovely. The downhills are fantastic. Little ramps at the bottom. We could do with way more of those. In fact, we'll go back down and do them again.
Now we're just trying to get home. At the moment, possibly end of the race. This will perfection. So we can conform to like standards.
Great and Liz, great day.